Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your friend, your mentor, your friend, so that I can help you to improve your English speaking practice. Just believe me, if you think you can speak in English, so definitely you will speak in English. So just think that you can speak in English, and definitely I can give you the guarantee you will be able to speak in English confidently and fluently in just 30 days. And it is possible. You just need to think positive that you can speak. So let's start a topic with this book because we are working on this book Word Power Made Easy. You should also bought this book from the market, as I give you the advice also that this book is really wonderful, and we are doing the session of Word Power Made Easy together, so that I can tell you that how this book can be very helpful for you. So we have completed the session 1. I also turn the page so that I can remind. Now we are going towards the next session. So second, page number 39, origins and the related word. Ego, how the ego comes. So you will get to know what is the ego right now. Egoist and the egotist are built on the same Latin root. So mainly English words are born in the Latin. So Latin is modernized by the Britisher, and now it has called the English. So ego, egoist and the egotist are built on the same Latin root, the pronoun ego. The pronoun ego. So someone say that this is very egoistic. This person has a very ego. Someone say that he's have an attitude. So do not talk about the attitude. Attitude is positive or negative. What you talk after watching something. Suppose you are in the Manali in the snow and you are talking, so there is too much snow, I am not able to walk, frostbite is there, and I cannot breathe properly, and someone say, wow, it is amazing, it is amazing snow over there, we can do so many sports. So it is all about your perception, what the perceptions you are giving about watching someone or exploring someone, or like for the dish also, like suppose you are eating a dish, suppose you are eating a cake and you are telling this has so many calories, it will really it will be lost for my health, and someone say, wow, it is an amazing cake. So it is, that is attitude. What you first say about something firstly, so that is called your attitude. So if you are telling someone that, so your attitude will be towards your perception about the things. So egoist and the egotist are built on the same Latin root, the pronoun ego, meaning I. I is the greatest concern in the egoistic mind. So you can use I also. Someone tell you that please give me the pen. So you will say, why I should give you my pen? So this is the ego. When someone asks you for the help, please help me to park my car. So you will say, why I should park your car? So this is the ego. I is the greatest concern in the egoistic mind. The most overused word in the egotist vocabulary. Keep the words differentiated in your own mind by thinking of the I in dog and the additional T in the egotist. So, ego itself has been taken over from the Latin as an important English word and is commonly used to denote criticism due to my ego. Ego has also a special meaning in the psychology, but for the moment, you have enough problems without going into that. Your psychology also matters over here. Suppose you are giving a positive view about something, so it means you are a good human, your mind is stable. And suppose you are giving a, you are finding a bad moment, or you are finding a bad thing, so it means something is issue, so some of kind of depression you have. So it's all depend upon your psychology also, how you use the words while communicating, while giving your interview, or while talking with someone. Others also, I would like to tell you, in the Latin, the word for other is alter. Other. Second word is others. In the Latin, the word for other is alter, and a number of value English words are built on this root. Altruism. So you can find out the pronunciation also. Altruism. The philosophy practiced by the altruist comes from one of the variant spelling of the Latin alter. Other, altruistic. Altruistic we are using for any human. Altruism is a philosophy. It is a, like we can say that, like the book, the physics is a book, physics is a subject. But we, if you are talking that someone physique, so this is a, you are talking about the human. So altruistic, if we are talking about the quality of any human, actions look toward the benefit of other. If you alternate, we say that when you are doing a gym or the exercise, what the coach advises, they advise us you should do the exercise on the alternative days. Suppose you are doing a biceps or the shoulder or the chest workout, so you should do on the alternative days. If you are doing your chest workout on the Monday, you should do again on Wednesday, so you should do on the alternative days. So this is, we are talking about the alternate. You skip one and take the other. Suppose you do not like the tea, or the, in the economics, when we talk about the prices of the tea and the prices of the coffee, so if the price of the tea goes high, so what will be happen? If the prices of the consumer product will go high, so what will be happen? So people will going to look the alternates. Why? Because the price of the high and demand will be low. Because if the consumer products price will go high, so demand will automatically go low because of the prices, and people will find the alternate. So what is the alternate of the tea? It is, the alternate is coffee. So if the price of the tea goes high, so people will move to the coffee because of the prices. So again, alternate. So you skip one and take the other. So to speak as when you play golf on alternate. Suppose you are playing the golf as a game of the golf. We all know that. What is the alternate? Basically, there is not an alternate, but another game is also there, which is a polo. Polo. Polo is played by when you, while riding the horse, and the golf you can play without an horse. But similar, not so similar, but you can compare a little bit. Play the golf on the alternate Saturdays. If you have the alternative, you have no other choice. If you have no alternative, so suppose you want to play the golf and you have just a day is Saturday, and the ground is full, so what will you do? So you do not have any alternative. You should have to go early if you want to play the golf, so that you can play on your own time. Otherwise, maybe another person will also come and you have to wait. So you see how easy it is to understand the meaning of these words. Believe me, my friends, if you will complete this book with me, you will see a change in yourself and you will be able to speak English like a native. Believe me. So you see how easy it is to understand the meaning of these words once you realize that they all come from the same sources, and keeping in the mind that alter means other. Yes, alter means others. You can quickly understand words like alter, ego, altercation, and alteration. Alteration also. And alteration is of course a change. Suppose you buying a jeans and it is length is little bit high from your height. So what you will say, that please do the alteration with this. So when you course a change, a making into something other, when you alter your plans, you make other plans. When you alter your plans, you make other plans. So an altercation is a verbal dispute. Altercation is a verbal dispute. When you have an altercation with someone, you have a violent disagreement, a fight with the words. And why? Because you have other ideas, plans, or opinion. Suppose you are making a plan to go somewhere like Switzerland with your friends, and your friends are saying that we want to go to Colombia, we want to go other countries, if you want to go to Austria, so you will make a conversation with your friends that why go there. So it is also a kind of altercation when you make other plans also. Alter ego, which combines alter ego other with the ego. Self generally refers to someone with whom you are so close that you both do the same things, think alike, react similarly, and are in temperament almost mirror images of each other, and such friend is your other I, your other self, your alter ego. So we have also the pronunciation also. Ego, what is the pronunciation of ego? Egocentric. So you have to do this exercise on at your home after completing this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So we will do the next session number 3 on next video. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. That's all for today. Thank you so much.